come off. It's lifted.
Yeah. Oh, no. It's still a big dust ball. I think it's wedging out. It's wedge. Oh,
Yep.
yeah.
Yep.
Go up a mile. Big tornado. Very big bad tornado. Okay, roll your windows up on that side. We got about a half mile. We got about a quarter of a mile to the next road option. Yeah, we're all right in that respect. Okay. Here's our next road. We definitely don't want to go east right now. Or we can go east like probably just, 100 feet or something. Now let's keep it on our flanks so I can film it good. Okay, here's our road over here. We'll sit on this hill. Very large tornado. Look at the dust in my eye. But I've got to get to his film. Crap. Can we get past this road? Because this is where I'll get the RFP. If we get past it, oh, it's not strong here. It's just the dust that you're seeing there.
Right through that?
Let's go on the north side of the tornado so we can look this way and get a good contrast to that sky back there. Taller.